Hello, there was a disturbance. Let me continue again. What is uniform motion? Let us say a car is starting from a point A and the car is going straight to some other point B. The car is traveling from one place to another place. Let me divide this into equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, let us say the distance between the point A and B is 60 kilometer, right? That is the distance traveled by the body. The total distance is 60 kilometer. So I divide this. This is 0 kilometer, 1 10 kilometer, then 20 kilometer, 30 kilometer and 40 kilometer, 50 kilometer and 60 kilometer. Okay, this is the starting point and that is the end point. Each one is divided into how much? 10 kilometer. So distances are 10 kilometer each. Okay, this is that. Now a car is going. It's a smooth surface, no traffic. Imagine like a highway, Noida, Yamuna Express Highway. In that highway you are going, nothing is disturbing you, right? So you cover each one, you take 10 kilometer, you take for example 1 hour, and you take 1 hour, you take 1 hour, and you take 1 hour, you take 1 hour, and you take 1 hour, right? You are taking same time, same equal distance. Distances are equal. How much? 10 kilometer. And times are also equal. That is how much? 1 hour each distance is traveled. And this kind of motion is called uniform motion. Uniform motion means when a body travels equal distances in equal interval of time, and that is called uniform motion. Okay, it's very rare actually in normal life. Uniform motion is very difficult because there will be traffic in the road or something else like that. Okay, now I will define here. When a body travels equal distances in equal interval of time, equal interval of time, then you will find that the motion is called uniform motion. Look here carefully. What is the, in this point you take, right? Total distance travel is how much? 60 kilometers. And what is the total time taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. So 6 hours, let me put it, right? So we will calculate the speed of the body. What you calculate is average speed. What you calculate is average. Okay, so that is total distance is 60 kilometer and it is taken 6 hours. The value is 10 kilometer per hour. 10 kilometer per hour is the average speed. Even if you want to calculate between these 2 points, you see, this is 30, okay, minus 20, that is 10 kilometer. And time taken is 1 hour, so you will find that 10 upon 1, which is 10 kilometer per hour. Wherever you see, whatever the place you take, the value will be same and 10 kilometer per hour. So we call it as uniform motion, right? In uniform motion, a body travels equal distances in equal interval of time, and that is called uniform motion. Now we move on to non-uniform motion. Yes, by this time you would have got an idea that something is going to change now, right? So I will say non-uniform motion. Again, let me take the same road. Okay, again I am going to take the same idea. Okay, the body is starting from here, point A, and it is going to point B. Fine, equal distances. Let us make it 10 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 10 kilometer and 10 kilometer. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts. I have made it 6 equal parts. So what is the total distance traveled? Total distance traveled is equal to 60 kilometer. Okay. Now we have to talk about the time, right? Now let us see what about the time. From A to this point, when it comes, you know, it is inside the city. Inside the city, so much traffic is there, bazaar is there, market is there. So the vehicle has to go very slow. So it is taking 1 hour to travel this distance. Okay? And from here to here, the road becomes little bit free. So he covers with more speed and he is taking only half an hour. Right? And again next he is traveling, again he is taking half an hour. Again there is some other place is coming, right? A village is coming, again market is there, again you are getting into lot of traffic and suppose sheep is going, or for example cows are going, then you have to slow down. So in this time he is taking more time, 1 hour, right? And again he is taking here, he is taking, let us say, half an hour. Okay, see, 1 hour, half an hour, half an hour, 1 hour and half an hour. Now in this place there is a traffic jam and the car cannot go at all. That time he is taking 1.5 hours to travel. You see, 1.5 hours to reach the city. Then you will happen in Delhi. When you want to reach the Delhi close by, lot of traffic will be there, and there you will take more time. And you see here, distances are equal, right? Equal distances are equal, but what is different? Time is different. 1 hour, half an hour, 1.5 hour. So unequal time interval, right? When your body travels equal distances in unequal interval of time, and the body is said to be in non-uniform motion, right? So when we cannot calculate for example, I can calculate for this speed, that is 10 upon 1, that is 10 kilometer per hour. Now what about this now? 10 upon half, that is equal to 20 kilometer per hour. So the value is changing. Okay, it is not uniform, it will be more different. So what we can calculate is called average speed. What we can calculate, let me erase this part of it and explain it to you. Right, when a body travels unequal distances in unequal interval of time, it's called non-uniform. In such cases, you calculate average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance upon total time taken. Right, and how can we calculate this? Actually, I will say 10. I know this is 60. Okay, so I will write here 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by total time taken. 1 plus half plus 1 plus half plus 1.5. Okay, let me erase this whole thing now. Okay, so I have erased it now. Fine. So let us add this now. 60 divided by 1 plus half, 1.5 plus half, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3.5, 4. Okay, again let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has taken total 5 hours to travel. That is equal to this and this you cancel. 1 time, 10 remainder, 12 kilometers per hour. So what did you calculate? The average speed is equal to 12 kilometers per hour. Okay, this is how you calculate. Okay, so in this video I have given you an idea about speed and then uniform motion and then non-uniform motion and average speed. The next video I will shoot you something more and teach you. Thank you so much.